As a contract manufacturer, we have this very unusual, broad scope of capabilities that are very hard to find in any one company. So it provides tremendous value for our customers. It really allows us to become almost an extension of their manufacturing operation.
Where we become integral to their organization on the purchasing side, on the engineering side, on the supply chain side. It covers everything from plastics, injection molding, contract assembly, supply chain management, purchasing components, FDA regulations, supplier regulations, adding the value that our customers need so that we can be the supplier of a complete solution as opposed to just a component.
They don't have to put the investment into the equipment, the molding, the assembly equipment, the packaging equipment, the packaging lines, clean rooms, the quality work, the documentation. It's a great way to extend your capabilities without the capital investment.
We are a contract manufacturer. We make product for the specification holder, also known as our customer. When we do a validation, we write a protocol and we detail everything that's going to happen right from the quote right straight through to the validation of the manufacturing process. We will look at it very closely from a regulatory point of view, from a quality assurance point of view, from an engineering point of view before we commit to making that product. But once we make that commitment, all hands on deck.
Our customer came to us wanting to increase capacity of their existing manufacturing line. But they also wanted to bring it stateside for the Made in the USA branding. We had to look at automation to make it cost competitive.
We by far beat the price just by introducing a high level of sophisticated automation. Definitely state-of-the-art manufacturing. And that made all the difference.
Once we started the initial manufacturing cell, product demand required a second cell. So we developed a second location that is really focused almost exclusively on contract manufacturing. Not only were we able to reduce costs, we were also able to improve consistency, improve quality, and improve output.
Our goal is to make the tool as reliable as possible. We put a lot of steel in our tools that makes them reliable. You're not going to have tools that are constantly going down. You're not going to have tools that you're constantly fighting. Our tools are, guaranteed for 1 million cycles, and we stand by that guarantee. We don't have somebody who says they're a tooling engineer. We have people that are tooling engineers.
Other companies do not want to get into this high technology because they're too concerned about their bottom line. We're concerned about our bottom line, but we're not afraid to invest.
This program has been in existence for a very long time. It has migrated around the world. There was issues with contamination that had to be addressed, as well as packaging.
Our sales team raised their hand and said, well, we have a manufacturing facility in the US that would be perfect for this product.
We basically took a hand operation and we automated it completely. Affected throughput, quality, cost, everything. This happens to be a 200 ml syringe that we mold the components for, put it through a simple assembly process, do a final packaging application in a Class A clean room, seal that, put a final label on that, send that off to sterilization and ultimately to distribution to the hospitals.
There's a zero tolerance for defects in this industry. We have to make sure that our products are made consistently the same time every time. We can't afford to have one patient injured or hurt. We have to make sure patient safety comes first.
We work to the same specs and same automation and same requirements, and it's the same quality and same standards no matter where it's produced.
Our acquisition in Ireland has now given us the capabilities we've really never explored before. The ability to build ultra-high cavity tooling has really added a great deal to our portfolio. We offer complete tool making on 3 continents. We are truly a global company.
Every country has its own regulatory requirements. Our customers distribute our product throughout the world, and we have to be aware of all the regulations, certification requirements of your people, certification requirements of your equipment, and certification requirements of your facilities. So we have the expertise and the experience right here.
If you've got an idea, we have a way of making it happen.
Our goal is to build deep long-term relationships, and that's what we're here to do.
Customers are the only reason for our existence and must be treated as such. If we understand what is important to them, then we can leverage our capabilities, our technology, and our people to help them achieve their objectives. And that is really what GW Plastics is all about.